are you two doing? Hello?
How you gonna send to me?
Oh my word, I'll have to send that. That is so cute. Woohoo! I think Silas got the better end of that deal.
He's like, this is better than
Look out for the wall!
Go!
That's funny.
He's like, I'm so tired.
Here, send him towards me.
Go to mommy.
Hi, Silas. Hello. Hi, Justice. Hi. Whoop. Go this way.
He's like, it's my turn now.
Yeah. Won't be your turn for a long time, buddy. Your brother's got to learn how to walk first. Where's Daddy? Daddy! Go get Daddy. I want to see what he's doing. One sock on and one sock off. Look at this.
Look at this.
Turn the light on, Mommy. It's too dark for me to go in here.
Is he pushing around?
Turn him around.
That's funny. That is funny. Here we come.
Here we go. All aboard. Toot toot.
The other guy has decided, hey, this is great. I don't need a walk.
What you doing? You getting a ride free? You getting a ride?
He's like, yes.
That is adorable. Bye. Bye. Look out for the wall. Bonk. Bye. Love you.